Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a Renaissance filter, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and make sure that you support me. And so here I have imported my picture in Pixart app, and after that went to stickers, and stickers I went and searched for Renaissance, and when I searched for Renaissance I got this one, and it kind of relates to my vibe, and so I'm just adjusting it as per my picture. And what I have done here is I have adjusted the opacity. So as you can see, there is a tool there for opacity, and then for the sizing I'm just using to pinch it, and after that I'll just make it look like a vintage picture. So for that I am editing it as what I feel like, and you might go a bit different from that. So मैंने ये जितना कर लिया है. Now after that I'm just adding it a bit rustic look, because editing तो हो गया but अभी इसको rustic look नहीं मिला है. So now I'm like कर लिया. फिर now this one is all in Lightroom app, and once it's imported from there, I'm trying to add a vibe like a grading. So now I'm back to Pixart app. Pixart app में आके I'm making it look like an oil painting. So the picture whole, ऐसे सिर्फ पिक्चर लगा देंगे रेनाइसेंस में, it won't look that good. So what I did, I made it look like a painting. तो पिक्चर को पेंटिंग बनाने के लिए थोड़ा कैनवस की वजह से थोड़ा नॉइज भी डाल दिया, सो इट लुक्स लाइक अ पेंटिंग, राइट. तो ऐसे किया. फिर उसके बाद आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग डिफरेंट फिल्टर्स, डिफरेंट लाइक चेंज कर रही हूँ सेटिंग्स जाके, बिकॉज सेम फिल्टर हर पिक्चर पे नहीं चलेगा. सो आफ्टर दैट ये हो गया एक बार, तो उसके बाद आई हैव डन इट अंटिल हियर, एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स प्रिटी मच गुड राइट नाउ. सो दैट इज इट फॉर द एडिटिंग. नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू द वीडियो पार्ट, के वीडियो कैसे बनाना होगा. So for the video I'm using Velo app. So Velo is a free app which you can use, and I think it's pretty much good, and I have imported my both the pictures before and after. Just click on the transition पे click किया है मैंने, and just choose the transition which actually you wish. Like तुमको अगर top to bottom जाना तो top to bottom वाला ले लो. मैंने erase में लिया है which you can just see here, and just इसमें ऐसा है कि time में आप set नहीं कर सकते. So what you do, you just make the picture video, एक बार video import कर लो, और उसके बाद just speed of a video you just decrease the speed. Then that is pretty much it. That is how you can just make it look at the output as well. You can just have a look at it, and I think it looks pretty decent for now, and this is what I'll be posting on my Instagram. Okay, bye bye, I'll see you in my next video.